Guys, I got you. These are the biggest mistakes I see people making when they're using hot rollers. To get the perfect section size, you can actually take your roller and actually measure it against your hair. And that means you won't be taking too much hair and have it falling out of the sides. I really like to use heat protection. The style on steroids from Color Wow is my favorite because it actually gives me some memory to my style as well as the heat protection. Next, you want to prevent the dents in your hair. Firstly, I make sure that I wrap these ends around. You don't want to get any buckled ends in there. And as you roll the roller down the hair, make sure you're keeping those ends tucked in. And then it comes to your clip. Now what happens a lot is people get this dent across the front. I think that's sometimes because they use the larger side of the clip at the front, and you actually want to use that at the back. And when using heated rollers, you really want to make sure you give them a lot of time to heat up. I let mine heat up for at least 10 minutes. So with the direction of your rollers, what I'm going to do at this top section is roll everything back. And then when I get to the sides, I'm just going to roll the sides down. So you don't take the rollers out until they're cool to the touch. And a nice tip is to actually just give it a brush through now. Okay guys, so stay away from those mistakes, and these are the kind of results you can get with your hot rollers.